Digital and social media is a skill that every person will need moving into the future. One of the things I love doing is training people on how to use social and digital to grow their visibility, profile and business. I especially love those light bulb moments where you see that someone just gets what you're trying to teach them. Digital can be overwhelming and confusing. However, my style of training is all about keeping it simple. I break down the relevant content for you and provide practical ways to execute what you have learned immediately. My training solutions are varied to suit especially what you need: short presentations, full or half-day workshops and one-on-one consultations. Each option can be done in person or using the latest technology regardless of where you are in the world. Invest in yourself and your future with digital and social skills training. Let's talk about how we can make that happen for you. Overwhelmed, confused and want to learn more about digital marketing to help you grow your business? Then watch my digital marketing video tips.
I love that.
And never, never, never let anyone dull your sparkle.